In today's tutorial, we're going to talk to you about wall hooks and various different kinds of ways to get art on the wall. We've talked to you about the wall anchors, and those are the things that just go in the wall. These are what actually hang the art, where you hang the art from. First, we want to talk about the Bulldog Hanger. This is a standard kind of a thing. I use this still a lot. A picture hook is only as strong as its weakest link. Okay, often it's right here. The next one here is called a J hook. We use it in conjunction generally with another J hook. This is what I use for hanging mirrors and large art. I like to use these on the side. Okay, so you hang it here and hang it here, and they hang very, very straight. They hold an enormous amount of weight, and they have a little slot right here. So if you're not quite level, you know, good news is you have about a ½ inch on both sides to get it level. This little thing, a double-headed screw, Bearclaw. I know a lot of you guys out there will probably take like a screw and just, you know, put it in part way so you can hang it off that end there. You can use it by itself, or you can use it in conjunction with a snap screw, the alligator anchors, or the plastic toggles, okay, which makes it really strong. I've used this on some pretty heavy stuff. Here I have what we call a Z-bar, what we call a French cleat kind of a system. One goes on the back of the frame, and the other goes on the wall, and they just kind of drop into each other. They're very, very cool. It's really meant for like mirrors and large art. You can also hang shelves and that kind of thing off of that. So right now we're going to go move into the back room and see how these things really work. So all we do here is we put it here and we pound it in. Now, as your other camera may see, what it is this nail is all the way through, and the angle of it is what keeps everything in. Here, there's a plate here, there's a plate here that holds the nail at that angle. So as this pulls here, it remains very, very stable. One of the cool things about this is that because of the drywall, the drywall's actually holding all the plaster together, so the paper is not going to, because it's all papered, it's not going to pull that plaster apart. Now, what would happen if I just had the nail in there, like many of us do, is simply this. Now watch this. It's very, very simple, and it doesn't take a whole lot of weight. Is it just falls down, just like that, and eventually your picture comes off the wall. Okay? One of the things that you don't want to do is just use a nail for any installation unless it's very, very, very light. Okay, and that's the end of this particular one. We're going to move on to other videos here.